hire for attitude, don't hire for aptitude. Aptitude can be taught. We hired a bright young girl a few months earlier. She was right out of college and now she handles a lot of our retention marketing effort and digital marketing. उसको नहीं idea था कुछ भी. And she's so smart the way she's caught up with us. So it's amazing, you know, what people can learn. And I'm just building off of what you're saying in terms of learning. If you have the appetite, no, you can learn anything.
You're very right, ma'am.
यहाँ बैठ के हम कोई रॉकेट्स तो बना नहीं रहे कि बड़ा टेक्निकल काम हो रहा है यहाँ पे. इजी काम मतलब इजी नहीं है, बट इट्स नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट इफ यू पुट इट.
आई थिंक इट्स आल्सो अबाउट द मेंटालिटी ना, कि आई फील कि अगर आप वो लॉजिक पे चले जाओ कि एवरीथिंग कैन बी आउटसोर्स्ड, देन ऑब्वियसली दे विल बिल्ड अ बिजनेस देमसेल्व्स ना. अगर इतना इजी होता बिजनेस बिल्ड करना तो, बिकॉज आई एम सर्टेन दैट every single entrepreneur that has raised their company to a certain level will always know the complete chain of their company. They'll know every single domain that is in their company.
Yes, absolutely.
Nobody can ever say कि I don't know how my finances work or I don't know what my logistics are. That is just impossible for a good company to be. उसका मतलब ये कि आपका founder के अलावा कोई और काम कर रहा होगा.
कोई और काम कर रहा है.
Founder नहीं कर रहा फिर सब कुछ.
अगर आप like I'm a non-techie. But there are times when I have gotten into issues that are completely tech related. I've watched YouTube videos and कैसे solve करें इसको क्या करें. तो fortunately we live in times when there are enough resources available out there. You just have to have that mindset. Even today, if me and my team are not able to figure out a particular issue, I tell them यार YouTube खोलो, वीडियो ढूंढो, मिल जाएगा कुछ ना कुछ. Simple solution है. इतनी बड़ी दुनिया नहीं तो call up someone ना, कि किसी ना किसी के पास तो आंसर होगा. ऐसे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है अब दुनिया में कि जो सॉल्व नहीं हो सकता है.
करेक्ट.
सो या इट्स जस्ट अबाउट दैट माइंडसेट आई फील.
And ma'am, so you're talking about hiring, so I had a question there. So firstly, do you take part actively in your hiring या फिर you do ना?
I interview all my candidates.
That is great, ma'am. So according to you, ma'am, what are the few maybe skill sets or traits or characteristics that you usually look at when you're hiring somebody? We'll talk, obviously you must be looking at different domains. हर role के हिसाब से आप देखते होंगे. But कोई generalize जैसे आपने बोला about your aptitude and attitude.
Right.
Are there more such metrics that you look at, or you've seen other entrepreneurs usually look at?
See, it really, it's very hard to generalize because it really depends on role to role and industry to industry. My industry, if I specifically talk about my industry, it's a very marketing heavy, marketing and ops heavy industry. So, and it depends on where your brand is as well, For us now, we're a growth stage brand. So obviously, we hire people with some sort of experience in the domain. We hire people, of course, who have a learning and a problem-solving approach for any startup is very important. One is a problem-solving mindset. And one is a grassroots level approach. For us at Alter, that is very important.
Of course, ma'am.
ज़मीन पे रह के काम करना है. If a person says, I don't want to do this, this is not that person is reject for me in the interview.
Can only do this या फिर अब मेरा job role ऐसा होगा.
मेरा जो आके KRA और job role की बातें करने लग जाते हैं, I am like, please.
Of course, ma'am.
Bye. No. And I'm not saying that you come here and you do everything that's beyond your role. If you're a marketing person, suddenly I'll send you the warehouse to start packing stuff.
Of course.
No. But you also have to expand, no? Today, if someone grew from being a customer service agent to doing inventory management, it's because they had the enthusiasm to learn about new things. So that enthusiasm is what we're looking for, that problem-solving skill set and sincerity to the brand. Because see, it's very hard because startups में ना typically लोग कहते हैं कि वो stability नहीं होती है या वो एक बड़ा umbrella branding नहीं होता है. So you really have to believe in the founder and their vision to be able to stick there. So fortunately with us, we have such people associated who believe in Alter's vision and mission, and that's what they're here for. So for any founder hiring out there, especially in the early stages, more than experience, what will matter is these 2-3 things. कि यार problem solve कर सकते हैं कि नहीं, मेरे साथ मेरे विजन में चल सकते हैं कि नहीं, एंड दूसरे कितने सिंसियर हैं वो अपने काम की तरफ कि you don't have to run around them like a headmaster.
हाँ.
ये किया कि नहीं किया, ये किया कि नहीं किया. That being said, you should follow up with your team, but
Spoon feed नहीं करना पड़ता.
spoon feeding, they should be self-starters.
Very true.
That's very important because see, as a founder, you're juggling multiple things. And again, going back to my lean philosophy, you cannot hire too many people for the same thing. No, you have to keep your costs in check.
Efficient भी तो होना चाहिए.
Efficient भी तो होना चाहिए ना आपका business. And in the early stages, you're building your founding team. So these people are not just team members; they are your, they're
The foundation. you can say.
5-7 years later, they're going to be your founding team. You don't know who has started at a very junior level could end up becoming a very senior person. And that we've seen across companies like Zomato. We've seen it across companies that's been happening, So it's important to hire with that vision as well. So sometimes you may feel कि on paper इस बंदे को इतना इस role के बारे में नहीं आता है, but if they do feel very excited about your vision, bring them on and teach them. It's not so technical, at least in our space, the personal care space. इतना technical नहीं है कि आप सिखाया नहीं जा सकता.
बिल्कुल. एंड सी मैम एक तो क्या है ना, द रीज़न वाई आई आस्क सच थिंग्स इज बिकॉज लोगों को ना ये यूजुअली लगता है कि स्टार्टअप्स आर बाय नेचर, जैसे आपने बोला ना, दे आर टू मे बी वॉलेटाइल और दे आर वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू वर्क विद. बट इन रियलिटी इज द ग्रोथ और द स्केल दैट अ स्टार्टअप कैन गिव यू इज वे. अगर आपको सोचना ही है कि मुझे मेरे जॉब प्रोफाइल में 4 चीज़ें करनी है, देन यू शुड गो इनटू अ कंपनी दैट हैज़ वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट प्रोटोकॉल्स. अगर आपको, जैसे आई नो दैट योर टीम इज वेरी गुड बिकॉज द वे दे हैव बीन हेल्पिंग मी फ्रॉम द टाइम आई एम हियर फॉर द पॉडकास्ट. किसी ने ये थोड़ा बोला कि भाई दिस इज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ माई जॉब रोल और आई हैव माई ओन स्किल सेट्स और मेरे को अपना काम करना है. एवरीबडी इज कमिंग इन, दे आर हेल्पिंग इन एज मच एज दे कैन. सो दैट ऑब्वियसली शोज कैरेक्टर एंड आई अग्री टू यू मैम.